show that the evolute of the curve x equal to a into cos theta, so that the evolute of the curve x equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, theta into sin theta, comma y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta plus the circle. So you are given the x and y equations here. Remember, whatever step we did, use the same procedure here also. Okay. We did another problem, I think. What problem we did in terms of this x values? The last class we did no. Circle of curvature we did like this. What problem we did? Circle of curvature. The circle of curvature we did one parabola. Then after that, what equation we did? No one is answering. Rectangular hyperbola.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So x equal to a cos theta plus theta into sin theta. Remember, whatever steps we did, you're using your x equation and y equation in this question. Use the same procedure for calculating your y1, y2. Then what's the value? X bar, y bar. First, you need to calculate all this. Okay. Now, what is this? Differentiate this equation with respect to theta. You are going to differentiate this with respect to theta. So, dx by d theta. What's the value? Here you have, remember, it is v. Again, here also is infinity. So, for theta is u, for cos theta is v. How will you apply? So, a is outside. D by d theta of cos theta. What's the value? For cos theta, you get can you able to see on the top? Can you see the equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Cos theta, d by d theta of cos theta. What is the value? Okay. What's the formula for differentiation of cos?
Minus sin theta, ma'am.
Minus sin theta.
Minus sin theta. So it will be minus sin theta plus, then it is uv. Then you have to apply your formula. 2 dv plus v du. To apply in this. So your u term is theta, then dv. d by d theta of sin theta. Or else here itself you write. Here you write one more step. d by d theta of cos theta. Then d by d theta of sin theta plus what's d? d is sin theta. Sin theta, then d by d theta of theta. By d theta of theta. Can you able to get this now? Here you have cos theta. So I can differentiate this directly. But here is a product. Here theta into sin theta is in d of uv form. So apply this d of uv. So applying this formula, so I got this equation. Then tell me the values now. A into minus sin theta plus theta into what is this? D by d theta of sin theta, cos theta. Then plus sin theta d by d theta of theta will be 1. Likewise, you can do this. You can do y also. Y by d theta. Now tell me, dy by d theta. What is dy by d theta?
A into cos theta minus
What?
cos theta.
A into
Cos theta
cos theta
minus cos
minus
theta.
of you have bracket of
Cos theta.
theta.
Theta sin theta.
Okay, differentiate this.
Sin
Theta
theta
sin theta.
minus sin theta, ma.
And oh, it's minus sin theta. Theta into minus sin theta.
Plus cos theta.
Then
Plus cos theta.
plus cos theta into 1. You will get, if you differentiate theta, it will be 1. Okay. So, minus into minus become plus a cos theta plus theta sin theta, which will be minus cos theta. Okay, you can cancel this cos theta and minus cos theta. So left over with
A theta
theta
sin theta.
sin theta. So this is your dy by dx. Then what about here? Then dx by d
Cancel
theta.
theta, ma.
A theta
Cos theta.
Then next you need to find out your first derivative. What's your first derivative? What's your first derivative? Y1 is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Is it not? We did the same procedure for the previous problem of asteroid by writing this to get your dy by d theta. To write like this, dy by d theta into d theta by dx. So theta will get cancelled. So dy by dx, you got the value. So we are writing in this form. Then dy by d theta is a theta sin theta. A theta sin theta divided by a theta cos theta. That will be dy by dx. So you can cancel a theta by a theta. Left with sin by cos theta is tan theta. So y1. What about y2? Now calculate y2 d squared by dx squared. Squared by dx squared. Tell me, how do you write this? Here you are having tan theta. Use this dy by dx here. Use this here. How will you write? How do you write?
D by dx into dy by dx.
D by dx into dy by dx. Okay. Because here for calculating y2, use your dy by d theta equation. So use this. So I have taken dy by dx remaining. So if you see the powers, you have one more d here and here you have dx. Okay, here you have dx. So d by dx of your tan theta. So again, here the differentiation is x, but function is with respect to theta. How will you change this?
d
The
by
function is
dt.
x. Okay. Here it is theta.
d by d
d
theta.
by d theta of tan theta into d theta by dx.
So now I have to use theta first. So first use theta, then of tan theta, then I'm differentiating theta with respect to x. So do it step by step. First see the bracket term. Bracket term is with theta. Okay, so use d by d theta of tan theta, then d by theta of dx. So d by d theta of tan theta. First use your theta first and then use your x. Remember like that. So which is equal to, what is the formula for tan theta?
Secant
Tan
square
theta
theta.
is
Secant
simply
square theta.
secant square theta. Secant square theta. Yeah, secant square theta. Then for this, use this.
One.
How will you use this? 1 by, because it is
A theta
the
cos theta.
reciprocal of that term. A theta cos theta. So y2 is equal to, I can write secant as 1 by cos. So 1 by cos square theta into 1 by a theta cos theta. So this is equal to for the y2 value is 1 by a theta cos cube theta. This is your y2. So this is your y2. Then you write the center of curvature x bar, y bar. The center of curvature x bar comma y bar at any point x comma y. At any point x comma y is. Here we stop this and continue the steps for calculation of x bar and y bar. Calculation of x bar and y bar. Calculation of x bar, y bar. Write your x bar formula. Write your x bar formula and write your y bar formula. Substitute the terms which you know the values of y1, y2. So this is your y1. Y1 is equal to tan theta. Then y2 is equal to 1 by a theta cos cube theta. This is your y2. Your y2. Tell me the formula for x bar. What is the formula for x bar? X bar is equal to x
Minus
x minus
y1
y1 into 1 plus
y1
y1 square divided by
y2.
y2 divided by y2. At least study your formulas daily. At least daily revise your formulas. Because if you change this minus and all, you won't get the answer. Remember to study 10 minutes your formula from the starting. From the starting of your first unit, daily study 10 minutes your formula. Then apply in this. Apply in this. Apply in this. R is equal to, what is x? What's your x value given?
A cos
Now one layer up your x values. So if you want, you write here. Otherwise, in the last step, you can substitute your x value. Whichever is convenient, you can do. But don't forget to remember substitute at the last step. Okay. The beginning, if you want, you write. So a into, tell me. A into
A cos theta
cos theta
plus B
theta
cos theta
sin theta
minus
minus your y1 is tan theta, then into 1 plus tan theta, here it is squared. I can write here tan squared theta divided by, what is y2? Y2 is 1 by a theta
A cos cube theta.
cos cube theta. So a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Here it is 1 plus tan squared theta, your identity secant squared theta, minus tan theta into secant squared theta divided by, I take to the numerator, so it will become a theta cos 2 theta. A theta cos 2 theta. A theta cos 2 theta. One by cos squared theta into a theta cos cube theta. So, you can simplify this. Here you have one a theta cos theta, then tan theta can be written as sin by
Sin
cos.
cos theta.
Sin theta
Again,
by cos.
you can cancel that. So a into cos theta plus theta sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta. We have here a theta cos theta. So x bar is equal to a cos theta theta sin theta. Here I left over with minus a theta sin theta. So if you multiply here a theta sin theta minus a theta sin theta. So x bar is equal to a cos theta. So x bar is equal to a cos theta. Likewise, you have to get the y bar value. What will be your y bar value? Can you guess? Your y bar value will be
A sin theta.
A sin
a
theta.
sin theta. So remember, while the circle equation is given, okay, circle equation is given, Your y1 is tan theta. So remember, you have to remember this alone. Because y2 is 1 by a theta cos cube theta. This will be a cos theta, this will be a sin theta. These three values is very easy. You have to remember this y2 alone. Is it not? What I am saying, when this circle question is given, you can get your answer. Y1 to be tan theta, you have to by heart this alone, y2. Then what is your x bar? That is a cos theta. Y bar is a sin theta. Can you do the steps for y bar? Now can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete it soon. The formula for y bar is y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Here it is plus. Remember it is minus here for x bar calculation. So substitute in that and get the value for y. Y is equal to a sin theta. So you have to apply here. Y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus tan square theta divided by your y2 1 by a theta cos 2 theta. So y plus secant square theta into a theta cos 2 theta. Y bar is equal to y plus, here I can write 1 by cos square theta a theta cos cube theta. Y bar is equal to y plus a theta cos theta. Y bar is equal to, you substitute your y here. What's your y? Your y is a sin theta, a sin theta minus a theta cos theta, minus a theta cos theta plus a theta cos theta. So your y bar is equal to a sin theta. Equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2. So x bar plus y bar is equal to, I'm raising to the power squared also. I'm raising to the power squared. So x bar square plus y bar squared is equal to, what your value? This is a squared cos squared theta. This is a squared sin squared theta. That will be a squared into 1. So x bar squared plus y bar squared is equal to a squared. Equal to a squared. So this is your locus. This is nothing but this is the locus of x bar and y bar. The locus. But you need to give the answer in evolute. The locus of x bar and y bar. So x bar squared plus y bar squared is equal to a squared, locus of x bar and y bar. Now in the next step, the evolute of the given curve is what is the evolute? What's the evolute? Now the evolute of the given curve is we calculated the locus, your locus.
X
Now I am
square
giving you evolute. X square plus
plus
y square is equal to a square. Simply replace this by xy. What is this? What is this? Read your question. What is the general equation of this?
Circle, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the circle with origin at 0 and the radius is
A.
a. So now the evolute of the given curve is x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared, which is the circle. Equal to a squared. The circle.